Ever wondered how to make remote work as interactive as being in an office? Want a workspace that moves with you wherever you go? Meet Nomadz, a virtual workspace designed to make remote collaboration not just possible, but delightful and efficient. With Nomadz, you can meet, share, and interact with your team in real time, all in an environment that's as flexible as your needs. Welcome to How to Monday series. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up your virtual office and show you how to use some of our key features to maximize your productivity and collaboration. Let's get started, shall we? First, download Nomadz. If you don't know how or encounter any problem, feel free to check out our video on how to download Nomadz. The link will be down in the description or in the info button up to the right of this video. To navigate through your virtual office, use the ZQSD on your keyboard to move around or press the right mouse button. You can interact with objects and areas in the office by clicking on them. Nomadz uses proximity chat, and that is the green circle you see around your avatar. Once you enter a meeting room, all avatars can hear each other, even if you are not inside the circle. Hosting a meeting in Nomadz is simple. Go to the conference room in your virtual office and invite your friends to join. During the meeting, you can share notes or your screen by clicking on the Share Screen button. Collaboration in Nomadz is seamless, thanks to integrated communication tools. Use the chat feature to send quick messages or the translation feature for more in-depth discussions. You can also access and co-edit documents without leaving your virtual workspace. Nomadz integrates with many of the tools you already use, like Microsoft 365, Python, and even VS Code. Access these tools when you get close to the screens and just press F and start using them within your virtual office. This integration helps keep all your workflows in one place, streamlining your tasks and saving time. That's a quick look at how to get started with Nomadz. Explore the features, customize your workspace, and discover how Nomadz can make your virtual collaboration more effective and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your new virtual office.